Hi, Maria Gomez Lizardo with Viking is here again to introduce you to our beautiful Tuscany. This unit was designed by a sister brand on the commercial side named Gija. This unit is what I like to call La Cornu married a Viking, and we now have Tuscany. The fit and finish in this product is stellar, and it's all in the details, starting from the big grates with elevated brass burners. An elevated burner will give you all that oxygen that will curl your flame to give you that performance. This oven has a beautiful seal. It doesn't have a window because that is a very European style oven. It's got easy glide rack. The interior is stainless steel. You have a fan. You have a 10-pass broiler on the top with light. If you want to experience the magic of Tuscany, come down to Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center here in Torrance, or visit us in Studio City, Calabasas, Costa Mesa, and Santa Clarita. Until next time.